Welcome to the channel, everybody. Before DM Explore gets started with lots of travel vlogs and lots of travel adventures, we wanted to give you guys a little bit of our background. So Apple and I have been married for just a couple of months shy of 13 years. In 2017, we built our house that you see here in Thailand, and Apple separated from me. She was here for 7 months. While I was back in the US working, she was here managing the construction of this house. I retired in 2020 and we moved out here, and we've been out here ever since. We do go back to the US occasionally for maybe a couple months a year, but other than that, this is our home base. So we just wanted to give you guys a little bit of our background and kind of show you our house and give you guys an idea of kind of what our home base looks like. So should we get started?
Yes, let's go see our house.
Okay, you guys. So you guys have seen the outside of the house with the drone shots, but we'll show you guys the inside. Apple likes to cook, so she has a really nice modern kitchen with all the appliances, all the modern stuff, and she puts it all to really good use. So we eat at home all the time. Almost all of our meals are at home cooked. So it's a 3-bedroom house on the top floor. We're on the second floor right now. We have one more bedroom downstairs. So bathroom, spare bedroom there. We have our big dining room table. I have my big fish tank. Provides a lot of entertainment for us, and it really makes us chill while we're eating. It's pretty much like we're sitting here eating and we just stare and watch all the fish, and it just has a really calming effect to us. It's a big giant tank, something that I always wanted. It's very easy to maintain because it's so big, and yeah, kind of proud of it. It turned out really nice. We actually pulled that big piece of wood there out of one of our local rivers. So pretty cool. Coming over in here, this is our living room. We have nice big TV for when we do sit down and actually watch it. Another spare bedroom there, just like the other. And this is the master bedroom. This is our bedroom. So, yeah, I mean, we're in Thailand, but we have like everything that we need. Nice big bed, television. I have another fish tank in here. This is my Asian arowana, my platinum alligator gar. Have a couple of tigers shoving those catfish in there. And yeah, why not, right? And then we have our big bathroom in here, his and her sinks and walk-in shower and that sort of thing. So it's pretty basic, but it is big and nice, and it is our thing. So I will take you guys downstairs, have a little bit of a surprise for you if you haven't seen any of our videos on the other channel. I'll show you guys something else we got going on.
Going downstairs, we have our koi pond from this view. See them from over here. Right now it's the sun shining on them a lot, so they cut behind the shade.
We had a big part of the designing of this house, and I wanted a koi pond. And so the koi pond goes underneath the stairwell here that leads up to the top floor. And the koi fish we got from a friend of ours that moved out of the area, and he had some very high-end koi. So we bought them all, and they are doing amazing.
Okay, welcome to our gym.
So you guys, this was something that I needed, I wanted, is a gym. I don't know if you guys can tell that I work out or not, but I am down here every morning. Apple is also down here every morning, and we have a beautiful gym down here. This is all commercial grade equipment that I had imported from the US. Life Fitness, Hammer Strength, it's all here. And yeah, we're making really good use of this gym, I'll tell you that. We have a big bathroom down here, toilet, even a urinal, and shower.
So we're here, we never used it yet.
Yeah, we don't really use it.
Yeah. Shower upstairs.
Yeah.
And we do have some big cabinets here. Lots of rooms, but we are not really using them. On this side also.
So that's our gym, and when we live out here in the boonies where we do far from everywhere, far from the big city and all that, no gym access or anything, so it's good for me as a retiree to have a routine and have it just right here. So it's just a daily part of my day, our day.
Okay, first floor we have big area here. Nice and open, the wind flow a lot. And this is my Thai kitchen. Not really using it, but it's a good size kitchen. And we have bathroom there, storage room there. And over here, we have our tortoises and our emu. Our emu.
For our Australian viewers, those are our emu.
This is emu.
So we will show you guys more of the emu. They're actually laying eggs. We have an incubator upstairs. We're putting eggs away. It's kind of a new thing for us, but we like them. They are fun. So they are, when we got them, they were very small, and they are getting big now.
They are my dinosaur birds.
Yeah, definitely. And then this is basically what it looks like.
The gate, back gate.
So that's going to do it for the video, you guys. Just wanted to give you some background on Apple and I. This is our home base here in Thailand. We have a lot of travels and adventures planned. We are going to be dropping videos on a weekly schedule every Sunday at 6 a.m. Pacific time. And that is about it. We will see you guys in the next video. We hope you stick around. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.